ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ज्ञानप्रशास्तारम् प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। Can anyone say what is Akshara Samamnayam? Yenakshara Samamnayam.
Maheshwara Sutrani.
Very good. This Maheshwara Sutrani. Akshara Samamnayam means Maheshwara Sutrani, which has got many names. Pratyahara Sutrani, Shiva Sutrani, Akshara Samamnayam. It's also its name. Maheshwarat Adigamya. Maheshwarat is Ishwarat. Maheshwarat, Lord Shiva. What vibhakti Maheshwarat?
Panchami.
Panchami. Like Ramat. Maheshwarat Adigamya. Adigamya we don't know. Adigamya, how will you decline Adigamya? You have not seen. Anyway, just asking. Yes. How do you decline Adigamya? Anybody?
Just like Ram, I guess it is Akaranta.
Yeah, Akaranta. Okay. Kamakshi, what did you say?
I thought it was like Ram.
Kamakshi said something. Yeah.
Akaranta.
Akaranta, Adigamya. Adigamya is indeclinable. You will see what is indeclinable. It is avyaya, not declinable.
Okay.
Okay. All these are a little advanced topics. We'll talk about that when we come to that stage. Don't worry about it now. Adigamya dhatu is gam dhatu. You remember gam dhatu? What is gam dhatu? What are the kriya padams derived? You know, some kriya padams.
Gachati. Gachati. Gamishyati.
That gam dhatu. Dhatu is a verbal root from which the kriya padams are derived. From the dhatu, not only kriya padam, you can derive a pratipadikam also. And the pratipadikam can be declinable or it can be indeclinable. If it is indeclinable, it is called avyaya. Adigamya is indeclinable. Like the word cha. Cha is and. Can you decline the word and? And is and only. Now chaka chau che cham chau chan, you cannot decline. Api, you cannot decline. Similarly, Adigamya is derived indeclinable. The indeclinable which is derived from a dhatu. The language has got indeclinable words and that are naturally there in the language. And some, not some, many, in fact, you can derive indeclinable words. Therefore, Adigamya is also one indeclinable. Therefore, it is not Akaranta, Pullinga, Adigamya, Shabdaha, you cannot say. Because it is, when you say indeclinable, then what linga is that? Therefore, it is not like the Rama Shabda. Anyway, we are chanting the prayers. I'll tell you. Maheshwarat Adigamya Yena Kena Panini Magarishina. By the Panini Magarishi. Yena, you know what is Yena? Try to recall what we have learned so far. What is yena? What is yena? What is the pratipadikam of yena? By whom?
Yaha, yaha.
Yes, yat shabda. Yaha ye yam yan yena. Yena panini magarshina akshara samamnayam Maheshwarat Adhigamya, having obtained the Maheshwara Sutra from the Maheshwara, by whom? By Panini Maharishi. Yena, Tena, by him, Vyakaranam Kritsnam Proktam. Vyakaranam is grammar. Proktam, told. How it is completely Kritsnam. Vyakaranam is completely told by whom? To him, Tasmai. Paninaye. Agam namaskaram karomi namami namaha. That is the meaning. We are offering namaskara to Panini Maharishi. We need the blessings of Panini Maharishi and Patanjali. Panini Maharishi, when you learn Sutra, but at least for the language also we need the blessings of the Rishi. Anyway, that is the meaning. We'll continue with the prayer. So, Akshara Samamnayam is Ageshwara Sutra. Remember that. Another name. Vakyakaram Vararuchim Bhashyakaram Patanjalim Paninim Sutrakarancha Pranatosmi Munitrayam Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahabhiryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let us quickly chant the sutras. You can repeat. Alpaksharam asandigdham
Alpaksharam asandigdham
Sarapat Vishvato Mukham
Sarvavishwato mukham
Stobham Anavadyam Che
Astobhyam navavadyam
Sutram Sutravido Viduhu.
Sutram viduhu.
This is a definition of what a sutram is. Shat Lakshanani. All these things we have seen. We can recall. 6. I have dealt this in 3 classes. Sutra, Maheshwara Sutra, Pratyahara Sutra. It's called Maheshwara Sutra. We dealt in that context. We talked about Sutram. Shat Lakshanani. 6 Lakshanams. Characteristics of Sutram. Okay. Remember, try to remember those or refer the previous classes. Then Sutram we can repeat. Ayvun Rilak Eong Ayauj Hayavarat Lan Yamanganam Jamai Gadadash Jabagadash Kapachatata Chakatau Kapai Shashasar Hal Iti Maheshwarani Sutrani. Kati Sutrani Santi. How many sutras are there?
14 sutras.
Chaturdasha Sutrani. From this sutra, what is the use of this sutra?
We can form different
To make
pratyaharas
Pratyaharas.
for grammar.
So this sutras, Maheshwara Sutra is the backbone of the this grammar system of Panini Maharishi. This sutra,
Excuse me, Ji.
yeah. Yes.
Ji, you are why are not recording the class? They are
ഇല്ല
Recording.
Yeah.
Recording.
Yeah.
വേറെ എനിക്ക് അറിഞ്ഞൂടാ
This, please don't talk with others with your mic. Okay, this Nageshwara Sutra form the backbone of the entire grammar system. Okay, there are many grammar systems. If time permits, we can see other grammar system, but it is long way to go. There are 9 grammar system. One is Panini Maharishi's grammar system. That Panini Ashtadhyayi, the grammar's work depends completely on this Nageshwara Sutra, without which it Alpaksharatvam is not possible. Just by a 2-letter, in fact 1 letter only. Ach, when you say ach, covers all the vowels. Hal covers all the consonants. So any number of pratyaharas we can form, but not required. Only we need 40, 41 pratyaharas, important pratyaharas, which you need to know in the context of Sandhi, which we dealt with elaborately for more than 15, 16 classes. Simple Ach Sandhi alone. Simple Ach Sandhi alone. There we have used some of the pratyaharas like Ach, Yin, Ik, Yen, H and all. So need to remember those pratyaharas, the content of the pratyahara. So the pratyaharas should be, this Nageshwara Sutra should be memorized, and the pratyaharas should be very well known to you by now. Okay. So this Sandhi, okay, one small thing about Sandhi, which we spent a lot of time, the Sandhi. Earlier I sent you the notes, what I prepared along one exercise with Pratyasa. So this is the Sandhi, the chart, based on based on the sequence of the Sandhi Niyama, what we learned. I think I sent you this, I don't know. This is the table, Sandhi chart, you can say. I will send you this chart too.
No, Guruji.
Okay. So
I don't think so.
Okay, just let me explain this and then I'll send you what is required. Because this is a Sandhi chart. Covers all the Sandhis of the language. Not only Sandhi, and as well as other rules also connected to Sandhi. So Sandhi, you will see, this is a long, very elaborate Sandhi. So many pages are there, so many rules are covered. All those rules we are supposed to learn. This is the Sandhi chart, what you see now. Slowly you will, I'm going to send you only what we covered. Slowly you will see the Sandhi chart you see it develops. Developed, finally you get this format. This is how I teach. What I'm saying is, the Sandhi chart already, when I taught to a particular batch, I prepared the Sandhi chart. The whole Sandhi chart I will not give. Sandhi chart we will prepare based on the sequence of rules. So once you learn all the Sandhi rules, then you will get a full Sandhi chart as it is the original, as it was the original. So every Sanskritam batch, we will derive this, we will form this Sandhi chart. So when you then only you will understand this Sandhi chart. Otherwise, this Sandhi chart you cannot understand. This Sandhi chart is also like similar like a Sutra Pata. You will not understand. If I share this file with you, you will not understand. It has to be taught slowly, one by one rule. Then you will see the rules, the Sandhi chart slowly being formed. Then when you read the Sandhi, you can refer the Sandhi rules, you will understand. If I give you the Sandhi chart and ask you to go through that, you will not understand anything in the beginning. It will be very, very confusing. But the same Sandhi chart will be very well understood once it has been taught for a number of classes, and we are going to prepare the Sandhi chart again. When we learn, we will prepare. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
So now the Sandhi is what we learned. Savana Dirgha Sandhi, Yan Sandhi. And you see that the columns, description is given and corresponding Panini Sutra is given, which is not required. And the Sutra number is given, that is also not required now. It is for the advanced classes. It is given anyway for advanced classes and also for my reference. That's only the description. The description, you will see the simple translation of the Sandhi with an example. So, Savana Dirgha Sandhi we have covered. Yan Sandhi we have covered. Guna Sandhi we have seen. Then, after Guna Sandhi, Vriddhi Sandhi we have seen. Vriddhi Sandhi itself, there are so many types of that we have not seen. That is why Vriddhi Sandhi 0, 1 we have known. Therefore, 0, 1 is there, then 0, 2 will be there, 0, 3 will be there. All those things we will see later. Don't worry about it now. So this Sandhi chart, whatever Sandhi rules we will cover, that alone I will select. Other things I will cut and remove it and send it to you. You keep the Sandhi chart with you. Paste it on the wall. You look at the Sandhi chart whenever you get time, so that you will keep constantly, remember this. This will be there. Okay, please remind me. I will send you this Sandhi chart. Editing this. This is, and we are going to prepare Sandhi chart at the end of maybe I don't know which class. When we at the end of 100 classes or 150 classes, you will see that whole Sandhi chart is prepared and it can be understood. When you have the Sandhi chart, you can understand. You are ready to understand them by that time. Anyway, this is one information about this. So for this Sandhi, we have used the Pratyaharas. So that is the connection. Okay, for Pratyaharas we have used. All those Pratyaharas you need to know. This Magheshwara Sutrani, Pratyaharas, these are all 2 AM question. What is that? You don't understand? 2 AM?
Ratri.
Yes. Night you are sleeping, I wake you up and ask you what is age, you have to tell. You should not tell no. You have to tell what is age. You have to tell. That's called 2 AM question. My teacher tells like that. These are all 2 AM question. Because 2 AM you will be having a sound sleep. That time if I wake you and ask you the question, you should be able to answer. So it means what? That much thoroughness must be there. Okay. Therefore, this is all these are 2 AM. The next one, Shiksha Sutrani. We'll read. Akuga Visarjaniyānām Kantaha.
Akuha Visarjaniyānām
Kantaha.
Ichuyashanām Talu.
Ichuyashanām
Talu.
Ruturashanām Murdha.
Ruturashanām Murta.
Rutulasanām Dantaha.
Rutulasanām Dantaha.
Upupatmanīyanām Poshtau.
Upadmanīyanām
Poshtau.
Nyamangananam Nasikacha.
Nyamangananam
Nasikacha.
Edaitoko Kantasalu.
Edaitoho
Kantasalu.
Odautogo Kantaposhtam.
Odautoho Kantaposhtam.
Vakarasya Kantaposhtam.
Vakarasya Kantaposhtam.
Khvamuliyasya Khvamulyam.
Jivamuliyasya Jigvamulyam.
Nasika Anusvarasya.
Nasika Anusvarasya.
Ramo Rajamanissa Vijayate. Ramam Nisham Bhaje.
Ramo Rajamanissa Vijayate. Ramam Nisham Bhaje.
Vena Vihata Nishachara Chamuhu. Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
रामेण
रामाय
तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामानास्ति
परायणं
परायणं परतरं
रामस्य
रामस्तोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
This is a prayer, and also it has got another thing. What is that?
All the vibhaktis.
All the vibhaktis.
All the vibhaktis of the Rama Shabdas.
Rama Shabda.
Rama Shabda is there. What is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Rama Shabda?
Ramaha.
Where is that Ramaha here?
First,
Ramaha.
the Ramo is the Ramaha Rajamani.
Ramaha is not the Ramo is there. Is it a mistake?
No, there is Sandhi, Guruji.
What Sandhi we have not seen. Don't worry. No?
Yeah, Guruji.
We have not seen that Sandhi. That Visarga Ramaha that Visarga of Ramaha undergoes changes. We have to see that what Sandhi is. So without Sandhi, you cannot understand the shloka. Sentence or shloka without Sandhi. That's why Sandhi is important. That's why I spent so much time in the beginning. So Ramaha is Visarga becomes Okara. It's called Visarga Sandhi, we will see. Similarly, Rajamanihi Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. Where is Tritiya Vibhakti?
Ramena. It's a Ramena.
Ramena Digata is there. Where is Ramena?
Yeah.
There Sandhya Sab. Ramena.
Abhihata.
Yes. Abhigata. Abhigata means destroyed. Completely. Hata means destroyed. Completely destroyed. Ramena, by Rama. What did it destroy? Nishachara Chamuhu. What is Chamuhu? We have seen.
Army.
How do you decline Chamuhu? What linga is that?
Chamuhu.
Ukarantaha.
Yeah, Guruji.
Not Pullinga.
Okay.
Strilingaha, we have seen that all seen in the beginning.
Like Dhenu.
Not like Dhenu. Dhenu is, yes,
No, it is
like
Ukaranta,
Vadhu.
sorry. Vadhu. Yeah,
Dhenu is Rasva. Vadhu.
Yeah, Rasva. Yes, Guruji, sorry.
So this is like Vadhu Shabda. Vadhuhu, Vadvau, Vadvaha. Only Pratham we saw it out because I want to give so many Shabdas. Only when you memorize we can see. It all depends on you. How far you know it, then slowly I will introduce other Shabdas. So many Shabdas yet to be learned. Okay.
Yes, Guruji.
I've given enough time for you to be familiar with the Shabda, memorize the Shabda. Anyway, Vadhu Shabda we will see. Vadhuhu, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachan, Vadhu, Vadva, Vadvaha. So yet Nishachara Chamuhu, referring to Chamuhu, Vadhuhu, like Ukaranta Shabda, like Vadhu Shabda, Chamuhu. Nishachara Chamuhu. That is, Nishachara Chamuhu means Chamu is army, Nishachara is demons, Asuraha. So, by Rama, the entire army was killed, destroyed, Ramena, Tritiya Vibhakti. Therefore, Sandhi is there. Similarly, Rama Agatasmai Namaha, Rama Nasti. Where is Panchami?
It's a Rama Nasti. It's a Ramata.
Yes, Ramat Nasti. Here also Sandhi has happened. That is a different Sandhi we have not seen. Don't worry. Ramat, Takara becomes Nakara. Then Ramat, Na Asti. Na Asti is Na Asti. What Sandhi?
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Nasti.
Ramat Na Asti Paraganam Parataram. There is no Parataram, there is no other destination, ultimate destination other than Rama. Ramasya Daso Smyaham. There also Sandhi is there.
Shashti. Ramasya.
Ramasya Shashti Bhakti. Sandhi. Daso Smyaham.
Dasa. Dasaha.
Asmi Aham. Asmi plus aham, asmyaham, yan sandhi.
Asmyaham, yan sandhi. Yeah, Guruji.
So, without sandhi, can you understand the shloka? Can you split? First, you have to know the words, individual words. For that, sandhi is important. Without sandhi, then how will you understand? Because sandhi, jnanam is important. Okay. Now, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramena, Ramaya, Ramat, Ramasya, Rame. All these are Pratama Vibhakti Ekam. Now, let me ask, what is that Vibhakti correspond to English? In English?
Case.
It's translated
Prepositions.
prepositions.
Preposition.
Exactly. In English, prepositions are separate, right? Separate words. But Sanskritam, it is not. It is built in the noun
Noun.
itself. So that is called declension. That is why a shabda you take, any shabda you take, when it is declinable means it can have prepositions. It can be, the prepositions can be added to it. Ramaha denotes karta. Ramam denotes, what is Ramam? The object. Karta the subject. Ramam Ditya Vibhakti, it is object. Ramena is Karanam. Rama is the Karanam. Rama is a means for accomplishing or doing an action. By Rama only the entire army was killed. So who is the Karanam? Who is the instrument? Rama. Can you say Rama Abhigita Nishachara Chamuhu? No. Because there the sense is Ramena. Rama is the means, is the instrument for accomplishing the destruction of the entire army, right? Therefore, Ramena. Understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Ji.
Let me give a simple sentence. Ramaha khadati. I have not yet get into the lesson. With the prayer verse itself, I'm explaining certain things. Try to understand. Ramaha khadati. Khadati kriyapadam. That is what we are seeing. We are going to see more on that. Khadati. Now, kaha khadati.
Rama.
Ramaha khadati.
Ramaha.
Who is Rama in the sentence?
Subject.
Karta.
Subject. Karta. Karta, subject. So, khadati denotes karta.
Karta. Singular. Third person.
Yes. Kadati denotes, very good. Kadati, the suffix gives you a lot of information we saw. It talks about the karta. It is third person, singular, present tense, active voice.
Active voice.
So many things are there, right? Remember, so Ramaha
Yes.
Kadati.
Yeah, Ji.
So Ramaha is the karta, and karta will be in what vibhakti?
Pradhama Vibhakti.
Vibhakti.
Pratama vibhakti.
He is the doer.
Is a doer, subject. Ramaha phalam kadati. Now what is phalam?
Object.
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 Object. What case is that?
Second.
Dvitiya.
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 That which is object will be in dvitiya vibhakti, the case, right? So, phalam, how do you decline? What is a gender?
Phalam phale
Phalam
phalani.
phale phalani napumsaklinga.
Phalam phale phalani, phalam dvitiya vibhakti, dvivachanam. When it is object in the sentence, understand that shabda must be in dvitiya vibhakti. Okay.
Yeah.
The word which is an object with regard to the kriya in a sentence, that word must be in dvitiya vibhakti. The word which is the doer of the kriya, and the kriya is mentioned by the kriya padam, then that will be in what vibhakti?
Prathama Vibhakti.
Pratama Vibhakti.
Now, Ramaha hastena palam kadati. What is hastena?
Tritiya. Karan.
Tritiya Vibhakti.
By hand.
By
With his
Hand.
yeah.
important thing, you understand. Here, seeing the English sentence, by hand, with hand, don't think by and with correspond. By and with means Tritiya Bhakti. No, you have to ask a question and then find out find out what it is, subject or object, or it is a means, the instrument. Okay, don't correspond to the English prepositional word to the vibhakti. This is the biggest mistake all the beginners do, and they suffer till the end. This is very important. You can underline this 100 times. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
Yes,
Yes,
Sri.
Guruji.
Suppose there is a sentence, Rama eats a fruit with his hand or by his hand. Oh, with by his hand. Therefore, Tritiya Vibhakti. No, don't judge like that. Okay. Okay, suppose if I say, um, this Rama goes along with Sita. So with is there. So what is the with means? Is it a Tritiya Vibhakti in the sense of Karanam? No.
No,
No,
Sri.
it's
So don't correspond to the English prepositional word to the Vibhakti. Ask question. You touch, you knock the Kriya, the Kriya Padam. It will answer. You ask, who is a Karta? Kadati is ask, Kaha Kadati, or Ka Kadati, or Kim Kadati, depending on the gender of the Karta. If it is Ramaha, then Kaha Kadati, Ramaha Kadati. What is the object of eating? You ask the Kriya Padam. What is that object? Palam Kadati. So Ramaha is connected to Kadati, Palam is connected to Kadati, and Palam as object connected to Kadati. Therefore, it is object karma, which is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Rama is in Karta, therefore it is in Pratama Vibhakti. Hasta, the hand Hasta is the hand by which the eating action is done by the Karta, and the karma is Pala. Karma means object karma. Remember, karma doesn't mean the prarabdha karma, sanchita karma, my fate, not that karma. Karma is grammar karma. Grammatical karma, karma means object. So be familiar with the technical terms. Karta, the subject, karma, the object, and the karana, not karana, karana. Karana is the instrument or the means. Instrument need not be a physical instrument. Please understand. Instrument means it need not be it can be a mind, it can be an emotion also. So therefore, in English translation, they'll say this nominative case, accusative. Who is to be accused? Nobody is to be accused. Okay, so accusative case is not a good translation. So it is not accusative case. We will talk about that a specific name in Sanskritam. I'm going to say certain things about that. So you don't have to know these English names. If you know, then that's fine, but let us not use that. Because
Yes.
in all the English books will be given nominative case, that naming gives a wrong understanding. Understand? Naming gives a wrong understanding because any knowledge you take, it is understood through words. That is why Shastram is a pramanam. How does Shastram convey? Shastram convey by words. Shabda Shastram, Shabdatmakam Shastram. Shastra pramanam, Shastram as a pramanam. How? It is through words. Shabda gives knowledge. Therefore, it is a pramanam. Shabdam is very important. Words are very important. And the words, because through words only we understand, and therefore the right words have to be used for the right understanding. That is why while talking also, the right words have to be used. We use some words and after that, sorry, I don't mean that. It's a problem. So the words are important. Therefore, the English words, nominative, accusative, the word is not a proper word. Similarly, instrumental. By the word instrument, what we understand? We understand, instrument means it must be a physical instrument. Rama eats the fruit with a spoon. A spoon is an instrument. That is what we understand. No, instrument, it is not really instrument. Better would be the means of accomplishing the action. How does he accomplish the action? How does he does the action? With what he does the action? That is called karana. That will begin Tritiya Vibhakti. Understand?
Yep.
So Ramaha hastena. Hasta is hand. He eats by hand. English translation is by hand. By doesn't mean only Tritiya Vibhakti. So let us not confine the preposition. Understand our understanding, confining the preposition to corresponding vibhakti and do translation. That will not work. That creates a big problem, big obstacle in our understanding. Ask question. How does he eat? He eats by hand. So hand is a means of accomplishing the eating action. Therefore, that will be in Tritiya Vibhakti. Right?
Yes.
Karma, karana, karta, karma, karana. All these are the factors. I've just mentioned only 3 factors. Other factors are there. There are 6 factors. I'll tell later. So all these are factors of action. All these are factors by which a kriya, the action, is accomplished. Okay. So kriyam nirvartayati iti karakam. These are called karakas. The 6 factors are called karakas. Karta is one karaka. Kartri karaka we say. Karaka means factor. Karakani, factors of action. It's also Napumsakalinga word, decline like Palashabda. Karakam, Karake, Karakani. Karakani are 6 in number. Shat Karakani. Therefore, Karakani, Bhagavachanam, factors of action. The subject, the Karta is one factor. It's called Kartri Karakam. Karma, another factor, Karma Karakam. Then the means of doing the action, it is Karanam Karakam. For what purpose? There's a purpose for doing the action. The purpose of action or for whom it is done, that is Sampradana Karakam. And from where this action is done, like fruit falls from a tree, or Rama goes from Ayodhya to Vana. He goes from Ayodhya. A movement happens from where? That is Apadana Karakam. That will be in Panchami Vibhakti. Sampradana is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. And Apadana will be in Panchami Vibhakti. And where the action takes place, in terms of place or in terms of time, that is Adhikarana Karakam, Saptami Vibhakti, not Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti is not a Karaka, which I taught you in the very beginning itself. Shashti Vibhakti, remember, Shashti Vibhakti talks about or mentions about the relationship between one word and another word. Like Ramasya Pustakam. Ramasya, okay, now we can take this example. Ramaha palam kadati. Ramaha vrikshasya palam kadati. Suppose if I say Ramaha vrikshasya palam kadati. Now kadati. Kaha kadati? Ramaha. Kim kadati? Palam kadati.
Phalam.
Now, what question you will ask to get the answer vriksha? When you ask question, then kriya must be involved.
Whose palam?
From where?
Whose palam?
there is
Whose palam? Where the word kriya is there? Kadati. Is there in your question?
no.
From.
Kriya is
Yeah.
related to karta. So
Kriya
palam
is
is
related to karta. Kriya is related to the karma. Karma and kriya, they are related to the kriya. Vriksha is not connected to the kriya action. Not connected directly. It is indirectly connected through palam, right?
Yes.
not.
From where?
From where? From where means what?
Yeah.
From where? Why this question?
From where the fruit.
From where the fruit? How is it going to be connected with the kriya, the kadati? Doesn't have any connection at all. You cannot ask from where. From where the fruit falls, that is not the context here. Vriksha, between vriksha and palam only there is a relationship. There is no connection between vriksha and the kadana kriya. Understand?
Yes.
Similarly, I can say the same sentence. Dasharathasya putraha Ramaha vrikshasya palam kadati. Now, kaha kadati?
Ramaha khadati.
Ramaha, who is the putraha, the son kadati. Now, Dasharatha, between Dasharatha and kadati, what is the connection?
No connection.
No
Only
connection.
through
No
the
connection.
karta.
Rama.
So Dasharatha, that is why Shashti Vibhakti is not a Karaka. It is not a factor involved in the action. Understand? We talked about this in the beginning. I think you forgot. We talked about when we learned the Pratama Vibhakti of the Shabdas. That in that context I explained Mama Pituhu, Mama Matuhu Nama, Mama Pituhu Nama, Mama Nama, Ramasya Putraha, all those things we have seen, Shashti Vibhakti.
Yes, sir.
Vibhakti is not a Karaka. Ramasya Dasosmyaham, when you say, Ramasya Dasaha Aham Asmi. What is the Kriya Padam?
Asmi.
Asmi. Kaha Asmi?
Aham asmi.
Agam
Ramasya.
Asmi.
Aham
Not,
asmi.
oh,
Yeah.
how can it be Ramasya? Ramasya can
Sorry.
be Karta. Agam. Asmi, the Kriya Padam.
Yeah.
Asmi, the Kriya Padam denotes Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, which is me.
Me. Yeah.
Agam Dasaha Asmi. I am the servant. I am the Agam Dasaha Asmi. Right? I am the
Yes.
servant. Of whom?
Ramaha.
Not Ramaha. Ramasya.
Ramasya.
Rama is not the Karta. How can you say Ramaha?
Ramasya.
I am
Ramasya.
the servant of the Rama. So, Asmi, Asmi, which referring to Uttama Purusha Ekavachanam, is it connect? Does it connect or talk about Rama? No. Doesn't have connection. Asmi, between Asmi and Ramasya, there is no connection. You cannot say Ramasya Asmi. Even if you say Ramasya Asmi, it means Ramasya Agam Asmi. Agam is there. So,
Yeah.
Asmi denotes Agam only, not Rama. Therefore, Rama and I only connected. Ramasya Agam. I who belong to Rama are that is the meaning. Agam, I am the servant of Rama, right? That belonging, the sambandha, the connection, the relationship with any of the other karakas. That is what the Shashti Karaka, Shashti Vibhakti represents. Therefore, Shashti Vibhakti cannot be a Karaka. Understand?
Yes.
So, that is what in this shloka it is that all the Karakam, all the Karakam representing the Vibhaktis and Shashti Vibhakti not a Karakam, it is given. So, therefore, everything, the sentence, all the Karakas, all the Vibhaktis centered on the Kriya. Therefore, Kriya is very important. Kriya means Dhatu. Dhatu is very important. You should know Dhatus. From Dhatu only we derive the Kriya Padam. Okay. Therefore, we should have the Dhatus. Okay. Anyway, in this, since I explained the Karakams, the other Karakas we will see. Slowly when we develop language, we will see. At least now you know 3 Karakas.
Yes, Guruji.
Rama Karta and Ramam Karma and Ramena is the Karanam.
Karana.
Karakas. Karaka itself separate topic. After we study Kriya Padam, this word file, we are doing, and some exercises on this Vakya Vyavahara. Then I will introduce Karaka, the next topic, very important topic. Okay. So now, why I said this? The reason for saying this, because we are doing Shabda. It has to be memory Shabda. Why I asked memory Shabda? Because it is the Vibhaktis are there. Therefore, you need to understand the sentence when Karakas are there. The Karaka representing, it's represented by each Vibhakti. What Vibhakti to use? How do you understand? By asking question, and the Vibhakti has to be used, corresponding Vibhakti. For that, you should know the Shabda. The form, Shabda forms you should know. That is why Rama Shabda, Guru Shabda, because Shabda differs based on the ending and also the Linga. That is why we need to know the Shabdas. Shabdas are important. You understand the importance of knowing Shabda now. If Ramaha is not known to you, then how will you use Ramaha Kadati? If Palam is not known to you, how do you say Ramaha Palam Kadati? And Hasta is Akarantaha Pullingaha Hasta Shabdaha like Rama Shabda. Hasta means hand. So Hastaha Astau Astaha Hastam Astau Astan Astena
Hastabhyam hastaihi.
Hastena Tritiya Vibhakti. You should know Hastena. Then only you can form the sentence or you will understand the sentence. Ramaha Astena Palam Kadati. Now you understand the importance of the Shabda.
Yes, Guruji.
So because the karakas are represented through vibhaktis and the vibhaktis correspond to the preposition in English. Therefore, the shabdas which end with different endings, vowel ending or consonant ending, and the shabdas, depending on the gender, they are declined. Therefore, the forms have to be known. That is why I asked you to memorize the shabdas, starting from Rama Shabda, Guru Shabda, Hari Shabda, Pala Shabda. All those shabdas you need to know. And all these Sarvanama Shabdas also. You don't have time to chant all these shabdas every class, but we have seen many shabdas which you need to memorize. Okay. And I think we have seen up to Nadi Shabda, right? Up to Nadi Shabda we have seen. The next class I will introduce Marut Shabda.
Marut.
Have you seen Nadi Shabda?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we did.
We have chanted the full.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
So I want you to know, memorize up to Nadi Shabda. So how many Shabdas you count? All the Sarvanama Shabdas of different lingas, Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, Pala Shabda, Rama Shabda, Nadi Shabda, and all the other Sarvanama Shabdas. All the Shabdas are known. I take it for granted. Then only entering into the translation work. Otherwise, we cannot do the translation.
Okay.
Shabdas, these are the minimum Shabdas. Now you have to know. Later we'll build up on the Shabdas. So every day you have to chant the Shabdas. Slowly we'll commit it to memory. Then the Kriya Padam, in the last class I introduced many Kriya Padams. That also you need to know. And understand one more thing in the Kriya Padam. Kriya Padam, it is not always, it is Kadati, Kadataha, Kadanti, not like that. Not all the dhatus will be declined like that. Remember, not all the dhatus declined like that. Why? Because the dhatus, okay, I'm just giving a small intro about this dhatu. There are 2,200 dhatus. And these dhatus are classified into 10 groups. Conjugation. So depending on the group to which the dhatu belongs, it is derived. Or in other words, the dhatus whose forms are similar in terms of derivation, that are classified into 10 groups, right?
Yep.
So therefore, if a dhatu belongs to a particular gana, dhatu belong to a particular gana will have a similar declension. That similarly dhatu belong to other gana, that corresponding to that gana, it will have a declension. So not that all the dhatus will have the same declension, different. In the last class itself, we saw the example. Rud dhatu, roditi, it is roditi, not it is rudati. Kad becomes kadati. Rud means to cry. It is not rudati, it is roditi, it changes.
Yep.
Similarly, chi dhatu, chi means to collect, to gather. It is not chiti, it is chinoti. Similarly, kr is important dhatu. It belongs to 8th group, 8th gana. Gana means group. The decline will be karoti. Totally different. Okay. Those things we will see one by one. It will take time. Now, here I have introduced simple dhatus and their forms in Ekavachanam. If Ekavachanam is known, then Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, and other Purushas, they are easy. You can easily, one for this dhatus only I am saying, not for all the dhatus. Here, what are dhatus I have listed, for which if you know the Purusha Ekavachanam, first Purusha is third person singular. Other forms are easy. If you know one form, other forms, if you know for one dhatu, similarly for other dhatus, the forms will be easy. Okay. For the other dhatus belonging to different ganas, that will be different. That is out of scope. Don't worry about it now. Okay. So at least these dhatus and their meaning and their forms should be known to you. These are the minimum expectation. Then only you can do the translation. Understand? This is the background,
Yes, Guruji.
complete background
Yes.
of everything.
Yeah.
The important thing in a sentence in what is involved is one is kriya padam, for which the knowledge of dhatu is important. Other one is shabda, for which the knowledge of shabdas are required. What are shabdas? I asked you to commit to memory. And I've been saying since long time that you should know. Then only this translation. This is simple translation. Here, in fact, only karka is involved. Karma is not yet come. It is going to come. When karma comes, then you know the shabda, you can easily do the translation. You can understand. Right? Now, let us do a few sentences. So, which sentence we have to do? From 14, I think, right?
No, we have to start this particular exercise, Guruji,
Yeah, we
from
have to
number 1.
start it.
From number
We
1.
just finished the previous one.
Yes.
Yeah, from here we have to start. My sister
Okay.
cooks from there.
Manji, please do. Have all the materials by your side. We have some equipment. My elder sister cooks. What is it?
You want me to say Mama Agraja Pachati?
Very good. Okay. Once more. This file I have shared with you, right?
Oh, sorry.
Did I share the file with you? Last class, I think I shared the class.
Yes, yes, you shared the file with us. Yes.
Now, that is okay. After you write the answer, if you want to check, you see I have highlighted now. You go there and you see the answer. It is hidden. Understand?
Really? You should not have told us.
Okay, anyway, I know you will not get copy and say.
I know.
No, but
This-
PDF, we can never highlight and get the answer like that.
Did I say a PDF? I sent you I think. Huh?
No, I
sent us a
think it is
PDF.
I
PDF.
think PDF, Sharanji.
Oh,
I
very good.
thought-
No problem. Then you will not get the answer. Don't worry.
Yeah, we
After
don't
it-
get the
After you do the exercise, you will get the answer. So it is the word.
you-
It is in white color. The letters are in white color. Therefore, you don't see that. It is
Yes.
hidden.
Yeah, you did caution us that you're only to use it for studying, not to download it because you are doing some more modifications to the file.
Yes. So anyway, the answer is that. Okay. Mama Agraja Asti.
Pachati.
Pachati. Okay. The second one.
The sage meditates either Munihi or Rishihi Dhyayati. You can Munihi or Rishihi. I don't know which is the right one.
Munihi
Dhyayati.
Dhyayati. So
Dhyayati.
how do you, okay, listen. The sage meditates or the elder sister cooks. The sentence is very important. This is also 2 a.m. Understanding. Not question.
Yes.
To start the translation or understanding. Translation is only for understanding, okay, the language. Translation, we are not going to translate the Ramayana, Mahabharata again into English. We are not interested. Translation
Yes.
is understanding the language. Okay. So, how our thinking starts, you see, our thinking, our vivaksha, instead of thinking, our vivaksha, our speech means the bhasha, the words, the sentence. Every sentence must have a kriya. So kriya is first. To kriya only all the other words are connected. Therefore, focus must be on the kriya and ask question to the kriya. You get one answer, karta, karma, karana. Then the sentence is formed. So when you do the translation is only it's for this language, but not really translation. It is understanding. Our understanding first should be kriya padam. So dhyayati, that is the kriya. Meditates the kriya. What is the source of the word for meditates? You have to see dhyayati. Now ask question. Kaha dhyayati? Munihi dhyayati.
Munihi Dhyayati.
Munihi kaha dhyayati? Kaha, the question refers to the karta. Karta should be in Pratama Vibhakti. And therefore,
Yes.
you should know the word Shabda, Muni, or Rishi, or whatever may be, or Yati,
Mhm.
how it is declined. It is Ikarantaha, Pullingaha, therefore
Pullingaha.
corresponding Vibhakti you have to bring in. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, which represents Karta,
Mhm.
Munihi. So the
Mhm.
translation must start from, okay, using the word understanding must start from the Kriya Padam, not from the
I have one question, Sharanji. The previous that my elder sister cooks. Here, when you ask the question, who cooks?
sister cooks. Or
Sister
elder
cooks.
sister, or elder sister cooks. Agraja
Sister.
Pachati. Then Agraja
But so
Pachati, then whose sister is that?
whose is Mama? So that won't be Karaka, right? Because Mama is a Shashti Vibhakti. So Mama won't be a Karaka, right?
It cannot be a
Am I
Karaka.
understanding?
Yes. It cannot be a Karaka.
Okay. It cannot be. Okay, thank you. That's all I just want to
Between
confirm.
Mama Pachati, there is no connection. What is
Okay, yes. Mama, yes.
Agam
Yeah.
Pachami, you can say I cook. What is Mama Pachati? It is wrong. In fact, if I ask you, Bhavatyaha Nama Kim, simple. Bhavatyaha Nama Kim. Bhavatyaha is Shashti Bhakti. Nama is,
Yes.
what is your name? Bhavatyaha Nama Kim. Name is not you. That is the beauty of the language. The name
Yes, yes.
is something what you possess, like this body is possessed. Similarly, name
Oh,
is possession only. Or that's why it's a possessive case in English.
oh,
What you possess, what you are connected with. That's called possession. That is why we talk about getting rid of possessions. Name also is a possession. That is why Swamis change the name. I mean, not Swamis. When they sannyasa, they change the name. They change the name. I also changed my name. Now, change my name means Lakshmi Narayanan only. Okay. My official name is Lakshmi Narayan, but I started my classes with the name Sharan because when I was in Guyana, the students were finding it difficult to pronounce a long name Lakshmi Narayanan. So I made it very short. Sharan. Sharan means Sharanagati, surrender, and it is a simple word. And it worked out very well. I started teaching from when I got, I mean, myself changed the name like this. My certificate is not Sharan, but official name is Lakshmi Narayan. This is Sharan. And everybody knows by name that Sharan only, not by Lakshmi Narayan. It works very well. Okay, let the name continues. Anyway, so the name is also a possession only. That is not you. That is Vedanta. Body is not you. What about the name? Name is Nama. The Nama Rupa is also a possession only.
possession. Yes.
That's why it's called possessive case. That is why it is not a Karaka. How can it be a Karaka? You're talking about that which you possess, whether it is a name or whether it is a body or whether it is a relationship or whether it is a house or asset, anything, or country or whatever may be. Mama Nama, when you say my name, that is a possession.
Possession.
Nama, name is a possession. So, therefore, Mama Agraja, Mama is not connected to the Pachati Kriya. Pachana Kriya.
Yeah.
That is why it is
Yes.
not a Karakam. This very important understanding, Shashti Vibhakti, not a Karakam.
Yeah.
Important.
Yes.
Therefore, how many Karakas are there? 6 Karakas.
6 Karakas.
These are there 8 Vibhaktis. 7 plus 1. Among the 7 plus 1, the 8th one is Sambodhana.
Bodhana.
The one is not a Karaka. Minus that. So only 6 Karakas. Karakani Shat. Okay.
Yes, Guruji. Monkey jumps. Utpatiti. Vanaraha utpatiti. Utpatati.
First is
I can say patati also, but patati means the parinam falling, is it? Dhavati is running, isn't it? Dhavati, Ashwa.
Dhavati doesn't mean running only, it means jump also. Okay.
Oh, okay. All right.
Anyway, you can say Utpatati, it's also correct.
Okay.
Patati means falls. Ut means
Patati, yeah.
up falling means what? Jumps.
Okay.
So, Vanaraha, Utpatati also correct.
Utpatati.
But
Yeah,
again,
the
remember, first you say Dhavati, then Kaha Dhavati, Vanaraha Dhavati. Without should be done.
Okay.
Have that practice from now onwards. Okay.
Yeah, the soldier protects. Rakshati. Kaha rakshati. Sainikaha rakshati. Cow mows.
Next person.
Charati.
You can do
Kaha
two, two.
charati. Dhenuhu charati.
Okay. Next person. Okay. Priyaji, please.
Yes, Ji. Gives up. I don't know, Ji.
Should not give up. You should not give up. Anyway, gives up means that's why I asked you to remember.
Tyajati.
Remember the
Tyajati.
Kriya Padam. See,
what is the
if you
word?
don't know, if you don't have the vocabulary of Kriya Padam, you'll be handicapped when you do translation.
Yes, Ji.
Not translation, when you speak also, vocabulary not there. Then what do you say? That is why always you have to say this and that and all these pronouns we'll use when talking in English because we don't have the vocabulary. And Kriya Padam is very important. You please go through the list. Try to remember the Kriya Padam. I've given maybe some 20, 25 or maybe 50, I don't know, the total Kriya Padam. You need to know that. Gives up is Tyajati.
What is that, Ji? One more.
Tyajati.
Gotcha.
So this is, see, that's what I said. You please come along with me in the class. So it means you have to do this homework. Otherwise, the class will go down. That's what should not happen. You'll be an inspiring factor for me to move forward. I'm saying everybody, okay? Try to, if you don't know, if you are finding difficult, at least have a printout by your side. See that, take time and do it. Okay. Gives up, Tyajati. Now, Kaha Tyajati?
Raja. Raja.
There is no Rajaha.
Raja.
No Raja.
Nripaha.
Nripaha you can say. Nripatihi is you can say. Why no Raja? I said. You don't know the Shabda.
This comes from Rajan.
Rajan Shabda.
Okay.
Anta Shabda. Declension is totally different. Raja, Rajano, Rajanaha. Rajanam, Rajano, Rajnyaha. Rajnya, Rajabhyam, Rajabhihi. You don't know this Shabda. Then how do you use this? Rajan.
Okay.
Raja in Hindi is there, or English also it is there, Raja. Not that. You can use another word for instead of Raja. Because we don't know Shabda, we have to use another word. Nirpa you can use, it is like Akaranta, Pullinga, Rama Shabda. Nirpa, or Nirpatihi you can use Ikaranta also. Ikarantaha, like Hari Shabda. Nirpatihi, Nirpati, Nirpatayaha. Or Bhupatihi. Bhupatihi is also Raja only. Your choice. You cannot use Raja.
Oh, okay.
You cannot use Raja. Rajaha. You can use Raja. Raja is correct. Raja is Pratama Vibhakti Ekvachanam of Rajan Shabda. Raja you can use, but you cannot say Rajaha. If you say Raja, I will ask you what is a Pradipadikam. That you don't know. Better use Nirpaha. Understand?
Okay.
We have seen all these words. Nirpaha, Nirpatihi, and all we have seen. The beginning of the introduction to the cases, Pratama Vibhakti, there you see a lot of words are there. Slowly we need to be familiar. You refer that verse. You will see these words are used frequently. So
Okay.
now at least Nripaha, Nripatihi means Raja.
Yes.
Nripaha Tyajati. Next one.
Tava Shishuhu Rodati.
Not Rodati. It is Roditi or
Roditi.
Randati. Roditi is different. That's why I said between Tadati and Roditi. Roditi is not, Dhatu is Rod. It is not Rudati. And it is not Rodati also. It is Roditi. The Kriya Padam itself is different. Or if you can use Krandati.
Krandati.
Roditi or Krandati. Any Kriya Padam you can use. Next person. Rajeshwari ji.
Arjun sees.
Arjuna.
Yes. Arjun
Okay. In Hindi it is Arjuna.
pashyati. Pashyati. Arjun. Huh?
Who sees?
Arjun pashyati.
Arjun. What is Arjun?
Arjunaha pashyati.
How can you say Arjun?
Sorry. Arjunaha pashyati.
Hindi it is Arjun. You have to drop that. Arjuna, you have to think in terms of Sanskritam. Arjuna pashyati. There is no Arjun. Pratipadikam is itself Arjuna. Akarantaha pullingaha Arjuna. Okay. This is called habitual error, habitual mistake. That is why we need Nididhyasanam. Okay, influence of Hindi. So you have to practice this. Don't say Arjun, Arjuna. Okay. Not only here in other contexts also. The Vasana at least in Sanskrit classes for tending it should be dropped. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, please continue.
Cross is, I don't know.
Tarati.
There,
Tarati.
everything is there in the table.
Tarati.
Have you seen the
Tarati is swim,
once?
right?
Have you seen the table at least once when it sent you? Anybody? Have you gone through the?
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Guruji. I have
Yes,
gone through.
that's what it says Tarati, no? It says Tarati.
Tarati. Please,
Cross. It's given as crossover meaning.
you have to go through the file. You have to go through the Kriya Padam at least once or twice before the class, before the next class.
Okay, sir.
The word Tarati is there. You use the Kriya Padam which is there in the table, not any other Kriya Padam. Okay, Tarati.
Jnani tarati.
Again,
Jnani tarati. Jnanihi tarati.
it is not Jnanihi. That is also wrong. Why? Because Jnanin is Nakaranta Shabda. So, Jnani, you can say Jnani, that is okay. Not Jnanihi.
Okay.
Shabda we don't know, therefore you have problem. Doesn't matter. At least you know Jnani is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Shabda is Jnanin. Shabda, if you don't know, it is okay. The Pratipadikam, if you don't know, okay. But Jnani, understand it as Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Not Jnanihi. Like Raja. Raja is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, not Rajaha. So Jnani. Or another word for Jnani, if at all any other word is there for Jnani, you can use. Any other word? You can say. Very good. You can say Panditaha. Panditaha Tarati. Panditaha is the one who has got Panda, Jnanam, Jnanavan. So Panda, you can say Panditaha Tarati. Right? Next person. Kausalyaji.
The servant stands. Sevakaha tishtati.
Very good. Sevakaha Tishtati. Sevakaha Dasaha. Those vocabulary you can develop. Have dictionary with you. Spoken sanskritdictionary.com is there. You can develop vocabulary using that. Yes. Sevakaha is correct. Dasaha also you can use. Any other word is there, you can try also. Next one.
The disciple asks, Shishyaha prichati.
Very good. Disciple is Shishyaha. Prichati. Next person. Surendraji. The farmer digs. All these are very simple sentences. Yes. Surendraji. Is there? Yes. Your mic is on mute. Okay. Next person. Manjulaji.
Yeah, Guruji. Digs, Khanati, farmer.
Krishakaha.
Krishakaha. Yeah, Guruji.
Please see the dictionary. SpokenSanskritDictionary.com.
Yeah, Guruji.
The dictionary is available, online dictionary. Meaning Krishakaha or Krishi Valaha. Farmer. You need
Oh,
you have to develop a vocabulary. Okay.
yeah, Guruji.
Krishi Valaha.
Yeah.
Next one.
Krishakaha Khanati.
Okay,
Veer
next one.
Shivaji leads. Leads is
Nayati.
Nayati. Yeah, Kahan Nayati. Veer Shivaji Nayati.
Shivaji is proper noun. Don't ask how to decline. Can say Shivaji means Shiva. His name must be Shiva. Shivaji is with respect. So Veeraha Shivaha Nayati.
Veeraha Shivaha Nayati.
Suppose a Trump is there. How do you say Trump? Trumpaha, Trumpo, Trumpaha. Trump is Trump only. Okay. Sanskritam,
Excuse me,
it is,
Guruji.
yeah, yeah.
Veer, can we also call it as Shuraha?
Yeah, Viraha is a Shuraha, you can say. Yes, yes. Okay. So some proper noun you can use as it is, but it's okay. But don't try to decline like Rama Shabda, everything. It will not be proper also. Okay. Then,
He
next.
lives.
Yeah.
He lives.
Yeah.
Jivati. Saha jivati.
Good. Next person. Sanjaji. Sanjaji. Yes. Okay. 15th one. You can do. You can do. Sanjaji.
Guruji. Student goes.
Female student goes.
Female student goes. Goes. Gachati. Chatra gachati.
Good. Chatra is Akaranta Srilinga. Chatra Gachati. Okay.
Yeah.
15th. I think we can stop here. Please remind me, plus 16th lesson, 16th sentence onwards we will do. And also note the page number of Vakya that we will do. Okay. So I have given a good intro today. That is enough for me to proceed further. You need to work. You have got the material with you to study. Don't look for a gives up in this spoken Sanskrit. It is there in the notes I sent, Priyaji. It is there in the very notes I sent. When we are looking for that,
Yes.
Gives up was not there. Sorry, maybe I missed it. I couldn't see in the
there.
table.
it is there. You can see the notes.
Oh,
It is
okay,
there.
ji.
Must be there. Okay.
Okay, ji. Maybe I just missed.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. See, the pace of purely depends on your level of picking up, of speed you pick up. So I leave it to you. You decide what pace we have to proceed.
Mm.
Dhanyavada.
Okay.